Hello everyone. Today I am going to show how to clean the water filter of most of the Jaquar taps, showers and connecting hose. This is the tap of kitchen. Normally it would open with plain hands. If not, you can use a cloth and turn it one side and it will come out very easily. So this is the filter. Next is the sink. We also have a similar arrangement here. It will also come out easily. It also has got a filter inside. Then the next ones are in the bathrooms. We have one here. We also have a bigger one here for the shower. And the shower itself will come out. There it is screwed on the top. Gently move it. In most cases, the problem is either there is dirt here or the salty water has got deposited on the other side. So what we have to do is we have to clean it from both sides. We need some old toothbrush or any brush and some plastic or steel object which is not very sharp. So take this filter out, rub it using the brush, and on the other side either using a Scotch Brite or something, we have to clean these pores. Make sure you don't scratch too much of the plastic. We just have to rub from the outside so that only the salt deposits comes out. If they are too hard, you can use some soft scratching and can scratch it, or if it is too much deep, you can use a toothpick and just punch in the various holes. The salt deposits will break. So do the same for all the filters. So the kitchen one, so we can scrub it as well. Make sure you don't break the plastic or scrub it too hard. We just have to remove the salt deposits from the outer surface. Similarly for the other taps, you see this deposits. and just we have to brush this off. For the shower tap, there is a filter inside which you can remove either using your fingers or using something. So this is the washer and there is a filter inside. If it comes out easily, it's okay, otherwise you can just brush it directly. Also, there are salt deposits on most of the pores. So what you will have to do is you have to just press them using your finger itself and the salt deposits will break. Do the same for all, and you can even use, as I said, the toothpick. If the salt deposits are too hard, they will crack. Once we have cleaned the filters from both sides, so this is the filter from the shower, so it needs to be cleaned. You can see there are huge deposits of salts here. So again we can use a brush and a soft scratch using any plastic material. Make sure you don't use any sharp object because it will break the mesh, which we don't want. We only want the salt deposits to be removed and the filter to work normally. Then run everything under